In PMBOK, a project phase is a distinct portion of a project that represents a significant milestone in a project's lifecycle. A project is typically divided into a series of phases, each of which represents the completion of a specific set of deliverables or outcomes. A project phase is a collection of logically related project activities that culminates in the completion of one or more deliverables. The phases in a life cycle can be described by a variety of attributes. Attributes may be measurable and unique to a specific phase. Attributes may include name, number, duration, resource requirements, entrance criteria for a project to move into the next phase, or an exit criteria for a project to complete a particular phase. Projects may be separated into distinct phases or subcomponents. These phases or subcomponents are generally given names that indicate the type of work done in that particular phase. For example, concept development, feasibility study, customer requirements, solution development, design, prototype, build, test, transition, commissioning, milestone review, and lessons learned. The project phases may be established based on various factors that include management needs, nature of the project, unique characteristics of the organization, industry, or technology, project elements including but not limited to technology, engineering, business, process, or legal, and decision points, for example, funding, project go, no go, or milestone reviews. Using multiple phases may provide better insight to managing the project. It also provides an opportunity to assess the project performance and take necessary corrective or preventive actions in subsequent phases. A key component used with project phases is the phase review. See you in the next lecture.